Ilang ang significant safety risk? Safety risk. Significant safety risk. Ano ba? Notable incident in the past. Okay. Sige, maybe this one. Okay na ba?
Opo.
Have there been notable safety incidents in the past year? Yeah, we do have. Nung time na newly renovated yung room. And then, siguro hindi masyadong nakita na may nakausli. So, may nalaglag. And then, nung nalaglag, natamaan yung guest. And bumitak, same. Bumitak din yung ulo niya. And then, dinala din namin siya sa hospital. So, yun. Ay. Yan na. So, yun siya. Yun. So, that's, for risk
Safety.
identification. And then, tama ba?
Yes po.
And then, for sanitation risks. So, what sanitation-related risks at the hotel? Or how do you make sure staff follow health? Okay, for this one naman, actually, since we have our maintenance department, so, they are consistently reminding all the department heads, and we do have haggle meeting every Monday morning. So that's for us to know kung ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin. Especially, lahat naman ng department yun, but of course, we focus on the maintenance. Sila yung nagbibigay ng mga instruction on a daily basis kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. Okay, and then security risks. Wala dito.
Sige po.
Okay lang. Wala sa file. For this one, risk assessment and evaluation. What formal process or tools does the hotel use to assess risk? How does management determine which is required? What formal processes or tools does the hotel use? Okay. For this one, formal processes or tools, siguro, for the formal processes, aside from the maintenance department, we do have partner engineer and architect. And even IT. So, if our maintenance team cannot solve the problem, then that's the time na tatawag kami ng mga engineer, architect, and even our IT. So, yun yung mga processes namin. And then for the tools, accessories, I don't know anong tawag dun sa tools na yon, but definitely we do have na pinoprovide sa amin ng partner na engineer and mga architect namin, especially in the building and dito sa mga plumbing, mga water, kasi very important din yan kasi we have hot and cold water dito sa mga rooms.
At mga heater po na.
Yeah, mga heater pump, yun. So, risk control strategies, safety measures. Okay, for this one naman, of course, we have trainings and inspections na ginagawa. So, kaya para ma-prevent preventive safety measures na ginagawa namin. And aside from that, meron din kaming, for example, dun sa mga aircon namin, so, every 6 months, nililinis yan. So, pinapalinis namin sa mga maintenance namin. And at the same time, yun, on a daily basis, yung mga genset namin, yung water level ng tangke namin, kung kaya bang i-supply lahat. And at the same time, yung power, of course, importante rin yan kung stable ba siya. And yung voltage. And sanitation. Okay, sanitation protocols help maintain and prevent foodborne illness. Okay, foodborne. So, meaning it's more on the ano to, no?
The food po.
Sa food, sa
Resto.
resto. Okay. Okay, how well have sanitation protocols help maintain cleanliness and prevent foodborne injury? Of course, for this one naman, we do have monthly pest control na ginagawa sa kitchen namin. Kasi yun nga, since food, iniiwasan yung mga ipis, yung mga langaw, yung mga daga. Very important yun because doon nag-start yung foodborne. Kaya, and then, yun, may mga staff din kami na ginagawa specifically, in particular yung pagmamap, paglilinis. So, different yun sa mga nagluluto and all. So, may mga kanya-kanya silang mga trabaho. I don't know in others, but in some, for example, if you are cook, yung iba kasi sila pa yung naghuhugas, sila pa yung nagluluto. But sa amin, no, it's different. Pag magluluto ka lang. Kaya hindi
Naka-divide po talaga yung part nila.
Yes, and para maiwasan din yung halo-halong mga kamay na kung diyan ka lang sa Yes, kung diyan ka lang sa paghihiwa, diyan ka lang. Kung ito maglilinis, diyan ka lang. Ikaw magluluto, diyan ka lang. So ganun kami. Okay. Safety measures. Wait. Pili lang ako ng isa dito, no?
Sige po.
Ay, isa lang talaga siya.
Isa lang talaga.
Okay. Have thefts, security branches, or security-related guest complaints decreased after implementing new laws? Actually, wala eh. For this one, wala kami. Thefts, wala. Security breaches, wala because we have CCTV naman. Wala. Even mga police, kapag may mga kailangan silang footages, nabibigay naman namin. Oo.
So, yung ibang hotel, hindi gumagana yung mga CCTV.
Kami,
nila yung ibang hotel.
kami lahat yan gumagana.
Gumagana.
Here naman,
Na-maintain naman.
yes, na-monitor yan. Yung IT naman namin ng ano dyan, ang pinaka nag-handle. From the time na pumasok ka sa property ng hotel, kahit saan ka pumunta, meron kaming footage. So meaning, the moment na pumasok ka hanggang sa makalabas ka kung saan ka man pumunta, meron kaming footages except sa mga room, syempre. Oo, mga private room wala. So, even comfort room yan, sa mga rooms wala. Pero dito sa facilities, meron yan. Everything meron. Okay, when were the current risk management status developed or last updated? Actually, lagi naman itong updated, but I don't know lang kung kailan. Pero updated kami, and at the same time, lagi kaming nagsisik ng help sa mga engineers namin, mga architects, and even in our IT. Okay? Challenges face. Okay, siguro ito. What major challenges does the hotel face in implementing and maintaining safety, sanitation, and security protocols? For this one naman, though our employees are trying their best to maintain cleanliness and to follow standard procedures, may mga employees pa rin na pasaway. So, it's normal and hindi naman natin yung may iwasan. So, yun yung biggest challenge din na parang paulit-ulit na nangyayari. Parang na nagko-cost din siya. Siyempre, especially dun sa food, the kitchen. So, to maintain sanitation. But, for, sa safety and the security, no problem naman with that. Because, yun nga, we have CCTVs, mga footages kapag may mga kailangan. So, wala kami nagiging problem doon. Siguro in the kitchen. It's more on the employee. Okay? What else? Dito na, last na.
Yes po.
Okay. Okay. For outcomes and results, how have these improvements affected guest satisfaction and service quality? Of course, for this one, very important to na ma-feel ng employee na they are safe staying here in our company because yun nga, makikita naman nila if something happens, kung kailangan nila ng mga footages and all, meron kami, makakapag-provide kami real time, hindi na nila kailangan maghintay. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you po.
Alright,